Well, let's go ahead and get into it right now, and I'm going to show you the details. It only costs $25 to join. We pay 100% commission. That commission is paid from member to member. Now, what's going to happen when you introduce this to your first person and they look at it, the light bulb goes on, they join, they're going to pay you directly. So after your very first person, you're going to break even. So everything after that, you're in profit zone. You're going to get paid daily, so there's no waiting weekly or bi-weekly to get paid. You're going to be looking at a global marketplace. Our company is international. We are not just located here in the United States, so that's going to be good for incredible expansion as time goes. Week number 1, you're going to get 4 members into our $25 program. Okay, now out of that, you're going to keep person 1 and 3. So person number 1, they're going to pay you directly $25, so you just broke even. Now person number 2 and 4 is going to get passed up to your trainer. Now you're going to think, why is that? Is that even fair? I want to show you how the power of passing those people up is going to just explode your income as time goes. So in week 1, you get 4 people. You pass 2 of them up to your trainer, so you're keeping 2 people. Now 2 people pay you $25 each. You just made $50. Week number 2, your 2 people get their 4. They pass 2 of those people up to you for 4 new people. So you got 4 people, $25 each. You just made an additional $100. So now you have a $150 a month income. Week number 3, your 4 get their 4. They pass 2 of them up to you for 8 new people. So 8 people, $25 per person. You're looking $200. Now you have a $350 a month income. That income right there after 3 short weeks, $350 for a lot of people is going to make your car payment for you. Week number 4, what we're going to be looking here, your 8 people are going to get their 4. They pass 2 of them up to you for 16 new people. So you got 16 people, $25 each. You just made another $400. So now you have a $750 income per month in less than 30 days with a $25 investment, and you only shared this with 4 people. So in 1 month, your income potential for most people is going to be enough to pay either your rent or your mortgage payment. That is exciting after only 30 days of being in business and sharing with only 4 people. Week number 5, this is when things get exciting. Your 16 people get their 4, they pass 2 of them up to you for 32 new people. So 32 times $25 each, you just made $800. Now you have a $1,550 a month income. Week 6, your 32 get their 4, they pass 2 of those up to you for 64 new people. So 64 times $25 each is $1,600 additional. So now, cumulative with everything else you've done up until now, it's $3,150 a month. Week 7, your 64 get their 4, they pass 2 up to you. You 128 new people. So 128 people times $25 is $3,200 more. Now a monthly income. This gets very exciting. $6,350 a month. Just absolutely phenomenal with only a $25 investment, and you only started with 4 people. Let's look week number 8. Your 128 people get their 4. They pass 2 of them up to you for 256 new people. So 256 at $25 each, another $6,400 payday. Now you have a 6-figure year income. You're looking monthly of $12,750 a month. This is your 2-month mark, your 60 days. Absolutely incredible. Where are you going to find an opportunity that after only 60 days you have a potential of doing this? Week number 9, your 256 get their 4, they pass 2 of them up to you for 512 new people. So 512 at $25 each is $12,800 more. Now you have a $25,550 a month income. Let's look week number 10. So week 10, your 512 get their 4. They pass 2 of them up to you for 1,024 new people. So at $25 per 1,024 people, another $25,600. Absolutely amazing. Now you have a monthly income of $51,150. So now in 10 weeks you've spent $25, you brought in 4 people, and you're making over $50,000 a month. Are you curious about what the next 2 weeks are going to bring? Let's take a peek. So weeks 11 and 12. Your 1,024 get their 4, they pass 2 up to you for 2,048 new people. 2,048 people at $25 each, another $51,200. Now you have a monthly income of $102,350. Week 12, same process, comes out to $204,750 a month, or $2.4 million a year. Now let me ask you this. I know this is the perfect scenario. This is you starting with 4 people. Some people are going to get a lot more than 4. You know, we have a lot of people with our company that are in the hundreds right now. But some people are going to do less. But let me ask you this. What if you failed 90% of the time and only succeeded 10%? Can you live on $20,000 a month?